Hey, it's LSFT here today, and today we're here to quickly talk about an issue with the NX. And in fact, this issue impacts all Lexus and Toyota vehicles, and as well Honda, Acura, Hyundai, and most likely Kia as well. I'm not sure if this impacts other brands, but if you do have the same issue, please do leave in the comments below. And please do share this with other owners so that this can be spread across the board and show the power of the internet and social media. So the issue is, after iOS 18 released back in September 16th, 2024, there was one major issue with Apple Maps when you're using the navigation. For my Lexus NX, directions would display on the heads-up display and showing arrows where to turn, and provide street names. Prior to this change, you can see on the screen, we would be able to see the full street name. But after the update, this no longer works properly. Names are truncated with ... after 5 characters. Now, come on. How many streets on this planet is less than 5 characters? Especially when you have streets or whatever, right? I saw this on the Lexus NX forums, and another NX 450h Plus owner called Apple complaining about this truncating issue. And what the senior advisor from Apple said that his issue will not get escalated to the engineering team unless there are more complaints. So she said to call Apple at 1-800-275-2273 to report this issue. And I'll repeat this, 1-800-275-2273. When you call them, they'll probably ask you to duplicate the issue, trying to go through all the steps, and then they'll give you a case number. You can probably just tell them, I have 2 screenshots, this is what it looks like, or whatever, and hopefully they will be able to create a case ID and not having to go through the trouble of replicating the issue. We all know that there's this issue. So on December 19th, when this post was posted on the forums, it's been 3 months already, and only less than 10 cases have been logged with Apple. So to them, there is no sense of urgency to fix this issue. They probably have other issues to deal with. So if you're experiencing this issue and you're using Apple Maps and CarPlay and you think that, it'll eventually get resolved, okay, please come out and help the community. Call Apple, log a bug, so that Apple gets a sense of how many people are using their product and being impacted with this bug. So looking at the release notes for iOS 18, so the original release, they did have some things that talk about map features, resolved issues, and known issues. But this is not in that list. We look at 18.1, sorry, there is no updates to Apple Maps. And then we go to 18.2, you also see that it seems like they're focused on ChatGPT, mail, messages, and other systems, but not maps. Now looking at 18.3 release candidate, which means it's not out yet. Sorry, we do not see Apple Maps in the list. Again, new feature on Apple Intelligence, writing tools, health kit, but no maps. So definitely there is no sense of urgency. I know that there are others who use the Lexus native navigation, Apple Maps, or Waze, and they don't experience this issue, so this does not apply to you. But in fact, I would like Lexus and Google to open their ears too. Listen to feedback. Directions on the HUD is a great feature, and it's available on the Lexus navigation, available on Apple Maps using CarPlay, but this is not available on Google Maps or Waze as well. Not on Android, not on Apple. If you do think that this feature should be available, like this video and leave on the comments below and say that this feature should be implemented. I really hope that this could be added in future updates to the Lexus interface and or the Toyota multimedia system. And again, for the Apple phone number, please call 1-800-275-2273 and log your complaint. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.